Hi, I'm Phil. I've got 20 years experience in software and electronics development. A range of languages, a range of hardware. I don't get bound up in any particular technology. I just look at your problem, look at what you want to do, and I help you achieve it in the shortest possible time and give you the best quality product that I can give. And I'm eminently qualified to do your next project. Quality products, on time, within budget, that will make your company successful. I create elegant solutions to your problems. Everything in our lives is microprocessor controlled. Microcontrollers. You may not know what the difference is between those two. I do. And in your product, it's significant. The difference between whether it's successful, whether it can be made for the right price, and whether the people think it's great and sexy and innovative, or whether it's just another piece of junk. I create from nothing, from the raw materials, and make a great product. It's software that has a synergy with the hardware. You need it done right, done once, and that's what I do. When it comes to writing software, some people use the method of coding until it's done. So that's 20,000 lines of code, 50,000, 200,000. In embedded systems now, we're talking about millions of lines of code. Every 25 lines of code potentially has a bug. If you don't write that code, you don't have the bug. You don't have to maintain it. Your product's more reliable and it costs a lot less money. What I do is I create the bare minimum needed to solve the problem, to do the job, and to do it well. My approach is to look at what problem are you trying to solve? How do we solve that problem without writing code? I mean, that seems strange, doesn't it? Because that's my profession. I write code, that's how I make my living. But as I stated before, the more code you write, the more you have to maintain, the more problems you can have, and the lower quality product you're going to end up with. Do you need a microcontroller, a microprocessor based system? What is the best language for that hardware? We have a wealth of languages now to choose from, and we can choose those based on what is the best solution. Today it's so easy to just pull stuff off the shelf, slap it together. I mean, even 12-year-old kids can grab an Arduino, a Raspberry Pi, slap some Python code and say, I've made something. But when it comes to making your next microprocessor controlled device, you need something that is fit for the job. So you design your electronics and you design your software and you craft them together to make something that sets you apart in the marketplace with something that people will remember as the device that does the job exactly how they want. I like bringing the two parts together, get in early in the project, get into that hardware, get into the software, meld them together and produce something great.